You know, there aren't too many things that I dislike about the outdoors, but there is something that I absolutely hate about the outdoors, and they are mosquitoes. Yeah, those pesky little buggers that eat you up. They can ruin your hike, ruin your day. They can actually ruin your vacation if you let them. Thankfully, my wife makes an all-natural mosquito repellent that works. It smells good. You can spray it on your clothes. It's not sticky. And you know what? She's going to show you how to make it right now.
Welcome to another episode of Outdoor Madness. I am your co-host, Karen. Today, I am actually going to show you how to make your own mosquito repellent using all natural ingredients. So you're going to need certain things such as vodka, or you can do rubbing alcohol, witch hazel, vegetable glycerin, and a spray bottle. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to do half a cup of just regular drinking water. So that's half a cup. And then we're going to need 1 tablespoon of vodka. Now on this one, you can either use vodka or you can actually use rubbing alcohol. I prefer vodka because it has less of a smell to it. Then you're also going to need half a cup of witch hazel. Witch hazel is usually common. You can get it pretty much at any store. Some women actually use it as toners for their face. So I'm going to go ahead and do that to where it is 1 cup. So we have 1 cup already now. So it's half a cup of witch hazel, half a cup of water, 1 tablespoon of vodka. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and do vegetable glycerin. Now with the vegetable glycerin, you only need 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin. Okay. Now at this point, you can go ahead and put it in the spray bottle. Now on the spray bottle, you can just have a regular spray bottle, or you can have the misting ones. I prefer the misting spray bottles because you actually use less of the solution and you actually spray more of yourself. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all of this into the spray bottle. And from here, you can just actually go ahead and count your drops with your essential oils. Now, most of these essential oils you can also get, well, you can get all of them on Amazon, or you can actually just go to your drugstore like Rite Aid, Walgreens. They actually have a lot of these. So I'm gonna give you what you can use and what you can substitute it for. So the first one is going to be, you could either use geranium or you can use bergamot. So this is kind of your own preference. You kind of smell which one you like the smell of. And on this one, you're gonna do 30 drops. So you just count it out as it's coming out. 9, 21, 15, 9, 30, okay. And then the next one is gonna be either cedar oil or citronella. Now I actually do both because we have those no-see-ums and they both seem to work. Now on this one, you could either do 15 of each, or you can do 30 of the cedar oil or 30 of the citronella. These are also, you can get these at your local drugstore. Now the cedar oil kind of takes a little longer. So I'm gonna do 15, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So cedar oil is actually a very common one because they use cedar oil or cedar wood oil in a lot of colognes, but it is a little thicker. I like the citronella, so I'm going to go ahead and put 15 of the citronella. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now if you do an extra drop or 2, don't worry about it, it's not a big deal. Okay, next one is going to be 10 drops of lemon. So we'll do 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, Now, if you notice, some of them actually come out a lot quicker. 10, eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is one of my go-tos on a lot of the stuff I use. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lavender is a very common one. And then rosemary. So it's going to be 10 drops of each one of these, and we will have the actual printable ones that are the ones that you can see. Now, one thing that a lot of people do not realize is the vanilla extract. Now, this has to be pure vanilla, not the imitation vanilla. This actually is really, really good for those no-see-ums mosquitoes that we have out here in California. Those are the little tiny mosquitoes you don't see, but they go around the ankle a lot, and you usually don't even know that you have them. So this one, I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon of this one and pour it in there. And actually, it's a really good smell too. So, another side note on the vanilla is if you are like in an area and you don't have all these ingredients, you can actually use the vanilla extract and just put it in a regular lotion. It doesn't work as well, but it will do the trick, and it will actually, something you can do in a pinch. So just remember pure vanilla extract. And then after that, you just shake it up and you just spray yourself. So kind of revamp. So you can do vodka, or you can do the rubbing alcohol. You're gonna need the water, witch hazel, vegetable glycerin, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different essential oils that you could actually get in your drugstore, or you can get those on Amazon. So as I was saying, I like the misting one, because if you notice, you spray a lot. You only spray it like twice and it gets everything. This stuff really does work. I've had a lot of compliments, and it lasts a long time. So we've been to rainforest, which is has a lot of moisture on that one, and you can actually see the mosquitoes. We've actually been to Washington, same thing. And like I said, there's a few people, like when we are out and about, that they say, oh, that smells good, what is it? So whole rainforest, Washington, Oregon, Fawn Canyon is another place that you see the mosquitoes. And it's funny because they'll actually kind of roam around you, but they won't actually land on you. And I know the no-see-ums is super big in California, and I can tell you from experience, I go out there literally just for a few minutes and I get bit. But if I go out there with this, beginning of the day, and I go out, then I don't get bit, but I get eaten alive. So I know it might seem a lot. This bottle will last quite a while. And if you once you buy all of these ingredients, they have a really long storage life. So you can go back and continue making them.
Well, there you have it, guys. An all-natural, do-it-yourself mosquito repellent that works. For Karen Clark, I'm Kerry Clark. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another episode. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and you know the story. We will see you somewhere in the great outdoors.